Just because you guys got to what you got today doesn't mean you stop talking. There we go. That means that you need to talk a little bit more. We need to participate.
They have the prefixes.
They have the prefixes. So we know that covalent, they have prefixes. So prefix, everybody knows what prefix means. It means before, right? Okay. What else? Ionic. Help me out with ionic. They don't use prefixes. Okay. What else? What is covalent bonding? What's that mean? Yes.
When
they share a bond or share an electron, right? What was that? Okay, so we know covalent basically means that we share electrons, right? Or we're sharing that bond. Okay, because we're sharing that bond, we have to sit there and tell them how many of each one there is. Who's going to be sharing? Does everybody share? Who shares? Say it again. Non-metals, that's right. Okay, so when we have all non-metals, we know that they should be sharing. And it should be covalent, right? So they're going to be using prefixes. Okay? So ionic. What is ionic? Metals? Is it just metals? So we have group 1, group 2, and transition metals, right? What else? Is it just metals? And a non-metal. It has to be a metal and a non-metal coming together. Who's going to be positive? Metals are going to be positive. And then who's going to be negative? What do they have to equal up to? Yeah. What else? When do I use Roman numerals? Transition metals. Okay, is there anything else that we should know?
Ionic bond is when they transfer.
Yes, ionic bond is when they transfer electrons. actually get on your graph table, I think it says transition metals, right? Okay, anything else? What does what say?
Ionic bond is transfer of electrons, i.e. give and take.
That's right.
No.
Oh, did I misspell electron? Oh.
Ionic bond is transfer of electron, and this is
I need give and take. IE means it's a Greek. Let's include the mercury one. What is that mercury one?
I don't want to get bit.
Okay. Mercury one is.
Yeah.
Okay.
We know this one.
Okay. Are we ready? Don't look so sad. It's too late to look sad. Yes.
And I have a question. On my notes, I have transitional metals. Who they pair up with? What their charges?
That's
is
correct.
that ionic bond? Or is it something?
No, that deals with the whole part of them having to equal zero, right? So their charge is going to be dictated by who they pair up. That's a good point. So you want to add that to it. Right? So we want to say
What else below? What did I say after change?
oh crap. What was that?
That's transition metal change. I can't do that.
Charge. I'm going to put it up top. Of course. Okay. Does that help you guys remember stuff? So, you guys ready for the competition? Or you guys want to do one of each before you get started?
Let's go with some practice.
Yeah, you have the first, right?
Bismuth phosphide.
Is there anything that Jack may have left out? Fight or phi? ITE. Missing something.
Does she need like Roman numeral?
You need a Roman numeral. As I said, post transitional metals, right? So
Is it 5?
transitional metals, post transitional metals, flavonoids, and activates. Okay, so it's a 5. Is that 5?
Yes.
That's right. So bismuth 5. 5. Competition, I see. No, it's remember Roman numerals, right? Because it is post transitional. This one is here. Right? All's in there. All of these guys here. They're all over that. So special one. We always have these over there. These guys, these guys. And the Roman rule tells us the charge, not the fact. Okay. Let's see. So he passed the baton to Jacob because Jacob corrected him. So Jacob, you get to do.
B. I don't know yet.
You haven't done that one yet?
But BS. After the B.
B after the B.
No.
I mean after the B.
Yeah.
You want to correct it? Yeah, okay.
I got V2 brackets SO4 bracket 3. Oh, and then with the 5H to it.
Oh, I see some tension going on here. Ooh, it's like a competition. Oh my gosh. Game on. The arsenic. Arsenic acid. Sorry. Arsenic acid. Okay.
I have an emergency.
Tell them go team go for you.
Yeah.
Everything's okay. Now. It's all.
Arsenic.
What would be arsenic? What's the chemical formula of arsenic?
ASO. That butter's 4.
So you put a 4. Okay. So you said you put a 4. Okay. And then what else are you put? So for it to be an acid, it needs to have what? It needs to have some hydrogen. How many hydrogens? It needs 3. And then thank you. Here's that team effort.
The AQ be a make or break on points.
Yes. Because if you don't put the AQ and you say you put a G or you don't put anything, then you're assuming that they're all, in that context, they all be considered covalent bond. By you putting that AQ with that H, it lets us know that it's an acid. Good question. Very good question. Okay. Ricky.
Hydrogen.
Just said something about AQ. AQ means it's going to be an acid, right? There was hydrogen. Let's not use hydrogen. Let's do that. What acid would it be? What did Itzel do? What would Itzel do in this situation? So what would you do? You look at the root. Is that what you said? So what was the root here? CO5, right?
Closest thing that's phosphate.
Closest thing that we have phosphate. Okay. So if we have one extra oxygen, what do we do to it? Per. So per, yeah, per phosphate. ATE. So what if it's ATE?
Phosphate.
Oh, I see that. Sport, but acid. Okay. So we got to pay attention to those roots for acids. Okay. Listen. Okay. Okay. O5 F4. Right. Phosphorus, diphosphorus dioxide. Okay. Questions? Anybody want to give $1 million? Vanadium.
How do we discover, how do we get to parentheses? I already got parentheses.
That this is the name, right? Okay. So you're asking me how I got parentheses down here.
Yeah.
Okay. The parentheses is because we know that sulfate is a polyatomic ion, right? What does polyatomic mean? What? Multiple. So it's multiple atoms, right? Polyatomic. There's S's and there's O's in there, right? So it's one unit. Altogether, we know that that has a -2 charge because we look at the polyatomic ion table, right? You guys have a polyatomic ion table? We looked at it, and we know that SO4 or sulfate is what? It's SO4, 2 minus, right?
Yeah.
So we know that it has a 2 minus charge associated with it, right? So we know that the vanadium has a +3 charge. That's the reason why we have 2 of those, right? 2 times +3 is 6. And then 2 times 3 is -6. This is -2 charge, right? So -6. All together, we add it together, that's going to equal 0. Right? So does that make sense? So when we talk about acids, we know that acids are proton donors, right? So if acids are proton donors, that means that they always have this H plus. So here, this has 3 H pluses. Arsenate is a -3 charge. So we're going to need those 3 H pluses to balance out that arsenate to make it arsenic acid. Okay. Okay, you guys ready for the competition? Are you still in bold? Go team, go. Okay. So we guys are going to be the green team. And Sarah's going to start the green team. Felicity is going to start for the purple team. So, you want to start? No, we're gonna start here with Enzo, because we gotta put him in the middle. He has to, catch him, right? That kind of works out because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, it'll be about the same, right? Okay. So here are the rules. This is how it works. So remember that bet? I'm gonna reinvent that bet since nobody gave me anything I needed last week. So I'm gonna put some terms and some of the either the chemical formula or the chemical name on the board. If it's the formula, you give me what? The name. If it's the name, formula. Okay. So she's going to do the very first one. You're going to do the very first one. You're going to do the very first one, right? And I wouldn't look at anybody else's answers because you know how things are, right? So then you're going to pass it on. She's going to do the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth, right? And then we go back one until we complete all of them, right? And then at the very end, after you've done them all, right? Then you guys can get up there and discuss it as a group, okay? Not till the very end, okay? And then you call me over when you're ready to go. We go through it. The team that gets it first, say a pizza, right? You guys group for a pizza. I was being cheap last time, so I guess I can get a couple of pizzas. Okay, you guys get to pick your pizza. Okay, don't get crazy because I ain't rich. So, okay, team that gets the first gets a pizza for extra credit points. Team that gets the second will get extra credit point 2. Team that gets third, sorry. Okay. So, point number 1. I'm not saying that you guys are going to get third. Y'all better. I have faith. I have faith in you, right? I have faith in you. I think you guys can do it. Sure. You just got to believe in yourself. Pay attention to the rules. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, let me pull up the questions. Yes, sir. Okay, so there are 15 questions. Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, I was glad. We're gonna. I was like, oh, okay. So we're gonna. I was like, I can't.
Okay, so we're gonna have you guys, you're gonna put yours here. We're gonna have you guys put yours here. Here, and then you guys are gonna get that one over there. Okay. So.
We write it on our papers first and then go through on the board?
Nope.
Oh, we're just
You're going immediately on the board. You're immediately on the board. Okay. So, but then what you guys should be doing once they write it immediately on the board, you should be looking at it, right? And then you need to figure out the one that you have, right? Because you have enough time to sit there and go through it, right? So, are you guys ready? On your marks. Move out the way. I don't want to get ran down. Get set. Go. Baby. Go.
Got it. Yeah. Go. Stop looking at me, damn it. Yeah. Woo! Come back. What's up? No. Look good. That's all. You want to look good. Nope. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Just go in a row or?
Go for it. Just go for it. Just go, man.
Are we putting a number line chart?
Yeah,
One, two.
Put a number record. Put a number record. Sure.
Yes.
Remember what you're yelling. Sure you put it on. Yeah. Okay. I'm sarcastic. Oh. Yeah. So. That was right. You just did it. I'm gonna do number 5. Nobody do number 5. I'm gonna do okay. Okay.
Right there. Yeah. Our other person. That was pretty complicated. Just go there. We'll just discuss it.
Number 4. Also.
Purple team takes a lead.
Five.
Yeah, I have it started.
So it's iron. Yeah, it's my trains. Oh, it'll just be. Yeah, try about number 8. No, that's number 8.
Mission number 7. And 9. Yeah.
Oh.
Can't run the third base first, right? Same thing over here. I have 6. Where's 7, 8, 9?
Hard, guys.
Yes, it was wrong. Okay. This is more. Right. Well, let's go here. We'll put it back. You got it. We'll write it down there. Bring it next to it too. Wait, we're working on 7
I'm not. Oh, that's not possible.
We have bricks?
So you guys done?
The next one's
Jack, you sure?
I'll work on number 9.
Purple team takes a convincing lead at 9.
I just think.
Yes, what do we not have? Obviously, this is not. Oh, it's not. Give me the confident answer.
Do we know like?
Oh, she rang me for.
I'm doing 9.
So if the state is given to you, G for gas, S for solid, L for liquid, you want to make sure that you put the symbol to help that state. So if you have the chemical formula, you need to put the symbol that we use for that state.
So, which one are you thinking? You ready? That's
Stop changing it. I said, stop changing it. Wait till you guys get them all written down there, and then talk about it. So get back up there and put that one on there. Put it what you had. Purple team's way ahead of all the rest. Say blue team and green team stalled. Yeah.
I think it's so wrong. Ethan, because of the curve.
No. Purple team rounding home or rounding third.
What?
It's that purple team that's rounding third. They're the last one.
So
Okay, so purple team, you guys can go ahead and start discussing it. Go up there and discuss your answers. And then when you guys are ready for me to tell you how many are wrong, I'll let you know. Call me up. You guys agree with him? You just gotta let him do it, Al. Hey, green team is working hard there.
Oxalate. Oxalate minus one.
Jason, what number are you gonna do? Okay.
Oxalate. Oxalate.
Looks pretty, like creative. I just try to think your paper and everything explain like this. Sorry. How much should I want? Oh. It's fine. Oh, yeah.
So you guys want me to go through it?
No.
And no, I'm talking about theirs. I'll tell them how many that you guys have brought.
Tell us how many you have right.
I can tell you how many you have right. So you have 5 right.
What?
Kidding. Nope.
Does 14 have acid in it? Something acid.
No, it's a solid.
It's a solid. Nope.
You can't tell us which ones we are right?
I want you guys to do it.
One is right. I know it's right.
Okay. If you know it's right, then why did you ask me? So you got
Because if we know which ones are right.
five of them that are right.
Some of it will be because we put like
The state. So it could be it. That could be it. If you didn't put the state where you have, but I'm gonna tell you, no, that's not it. Look at charges. You need to pay attention to charges. Charges are gonna play a huge role in some things. Blue team. Blue team is, I guess, blue and green are neck and neck.
You got 6 right now?
See, you got 6 right now.
Yes.
So, yep, you're down to, you got 7 now.
Number 7 now. I feel like I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something.
What does it end with?
I know that's the part because I got the.
So typically, if it ends with ATE, it usually has lead in it.
Wait, so then it should
I don't know where the
be.
anhydrous comes from.
So then it should be.
I wasn't pointing. I was just I did give you a hint. I said typically if it has.
I know it's missing.
If it has ATE, it normally has what in it? Look at all the things that have AT in it. What do they all have? Most of them. There are a couple exceptions. Okay. What is that rule? If they're in the same group, they have to. Let's see, you guys are in discussion. So you guys can go up there and discuss it together as a team. As long as you guys need it. When you guys tell me you're ready to go for me to go up there and take a look at it, I'll go and take a look at it. And I'll tell you how many you got wrong. No. No, you have to get the win. It has to be a real win. You have to be perfect, right? Perfect.
Wait, what were you saying?
You want me to come look at it? Sure. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, there. And okay, let's really so pay attention to charges. Charges. Okay. Pay attention to charges. Charges. Okay, so you guys have. Let's see. Two. Is that a capital A there? Yes. Is that a capital A-S?
No.
You're right.
Okay, make you feel better. Okay, that's not that one.
All right, wrong.
You got 4 right. Are you guys ready for me to look at it? Or you guys need one more? No, that's your job. We got right.
8, right?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
And then there's one more.
I don't even know if I'm making stuff up.
That's what's that?
That's
Wi-Fi combination? Yeah.
yeah. Pretty much together.
That's why I just went .com. I know you do that. No, 3 is not okay. Fix it.
It's one less. One less.
5? Wow.
The game, bro. It's so
Lots of rules. Rules and charges. You guys, there's one that you really easy fix. Easy fix. Easy fix. We have to think about the charges. And then this group needs to stop thinking about it. They put too many charges in place. No, that group got carried away with some charges. Oh my God, I can't believe you just got another one. Purple, come on, purple. Come on, blue. Let's go, blue. Go, blue, go. Come on, green. I know you guys can do it, green. Come on.
13 is definitely wrong.
What was that?
13 is definitely wrong.
What's your charges? It's a what? Do me a favor. You said, what does it begin with? For what? Manganate. Okay. I would look at what does permanganate look like?
M94.
What's the charge?
1.
Okay. Does that make sense? Oh my God, Becky. Is there something else that you may want to take a look at? Is there something else on the table? Oh my God, Becky, you got another one. Pay attention to those charges. I like your hair. It looks kind of charged. Like your ions or something. Yeah, you guys pay attention to the charge. Take it off. It looks good. I like it.
I don't like it. You're very handsome.
It looks good. I like it. You gotta capitalize on it. So when you have hair, right? Then you're gonna be wearing that because you don't have any yet. Right? Wild hair is good. Yes. It means a good soul. Yes, ma'am. Isn't it? Birthday. Oh, that explains a lot. Oh, that explains a lot.
It's your birthday.
No, I'm Aquarius.
Oh, my mom's Aquarius.
You're an
Valentine's Day.
Aquarius?
Yeah.
You were an Aquarius?
Yeah.
I'm an
Your birthday's
Aquarius
on
now.
Well, no, mine's the 16th.
I'm
I'm
the
the
13th.
Yeah.
My name was always Victoria. Yeah, so I was my boss, I was Victoria. Or I think Sasha.
Hey, let's see blue. Let's see if you guys made any
Number 9, does that look pretty? Oh, marker? What's your favorite?
you need to pay attention to that area. Yes, you got that part right. Look at the issue. What was that?
Yeah.
Are you sure that? Look at those letters. That's a P O, small o, and then a capital O.
Oh, I'm just
So it's outside.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at your polyatomic ion table. Oh my God, Becky. You got another one. See, he paid attention to what I was saying.
Yeah. Pay attention.
Yeah. Oh, he's giving you guys a run for your money. Purple is giving you guys a run for your money. Look at these. Look at the Indians, right? Look at those Indians. Look at the Indians. Tell me, look down here. What is all of these Indians? What are they all again? And then if you look at number 9, look at the Indians. Okay. That's good to get a picture of it. I would take a picture of it for my exam because I probably expect to see maybe something like this.
Got down, right?
Yes. You got another one?
Seven is 7 typo.
It's a typo. A typo, yeah.
Really?
Okay. Yep.
Paper? I see it.
It looks like it is, but it's not.
Yeah, number two, put 05.
2. Oh, 5. Are you sure? Are you sure?
What did he say? Why don't you listen to what your man's saying?
Okay, so
Oh my gosh, you got another one right. Wow. Wow. Let's see. I see 1, I see 2, I see 3. I see.
Oh, yeah.
3 still.
That would be 4. That are correct. That's 5. That's 6. 6. You guys have 6. Keep moving. You guys are on the right track. Moving the right way. Oh my God. There you go. You guys talking to me? Right, Ricky? But if you kept saying 8, right? They wouldn't listen to you.
Like probably every show we was like
You better be talking about the show on that board, right? That's the show that you're talking about, right? You're talking about, sorry, that board, they're blue. Blue, right? Right, blue. Yes. Let's see, 1, 2, or wait, hold on. No. Okay.
So.
Although, wait, hold on.
Should we just put that hydrogen back?
Yeah.
Because it's non-metal. They have to.
No, I'm saying, so far, wait.
So far,
And then that one, I'm not sure what.
Ow.
So we get.
No.
Like you said,
But how many here? No.
So that's an acetate.
Okay.
We're red. And it's number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We have 8 that are correct.
Oh, this is correct.
I'm gonna
What's that?
change.
No, I'm not saying all that's not correct. I said you have 8. Is that a lowercase o? Oh, you're testing me. Okay, that looks much better, but there's still parts of it that, oh, yeah, you're good. You're good now. What's that?
I'm just gonna put that.
Now you guys did not. Yes. Okay, let's see over here. Let's see. You need to change one. You need to change something. Yes. And are you guys missing something on number? What are you missing on number 3? Look, you'll be number 2. Yeah. What is the big word that you're missing on number 3? Number 3. What is that first word? Okay. Oh my gosh. How many? Okay, now how many do you have up there?
But then how anhydrous is on the word.
That's right.
So does that mean we're just taking H2 out?
That is correct.
So
Do you feel cheated?
oh yeah, because that can be something else.
No,
Because
but that's it.
if you do NH3, A2, O2, that can be something else.
Yeah, but that's the reason why you write the way that you write it, right?
So it would be
No, it's fine the way it is. This is fine. That is there is no water.
there's two H's and an O.
No, that doesn't mean that there's water. You got to understand how they're interacting. I'll show you here in a second. Just give me a minute, right? Can I borrow 4 people? 4 people. Okay. And then I want you. Let's see. You and we need 3 other people. Can I borrow 3 other people? I got these 4. Yeah, I need 3 other people.
I'm a third.
Okay. Okay. So I am. In this case, I'm not. I want you to touch my chest right here. I want you to touch my chest right here, and I want you to touch my chest. Okay. Now I am a mole, right? You are asking, right? So you guys touch him. No, they're touching you, right? Because you're the centerpiece. Okay, go ahead. Yes, you touch him. Okay, now we're going to interact together. Right? Now you guys got to follow me, stay touching to me. We're gonna interact together, and me and him are gonna interact, right? Okay, so this is that compound. You have all the oxygens around you. They're not touching these hydrogens. Those hydrogens are my hydrogens. Don't touch my hydrogens, right? I'm not touching your oxygens. We're interacting. Okay, do you understand the difference? Sure. Okay, so you're not making water, so there's no water in there.
Walk away.
So if it had H2O on its own, then it would be water. That's why it's important, right?
If you type that bit out.
Yeah, it's just the same thing. It's the same thing. This is just letting, so do you guys remember the story I told you about the guy that blew up the building?
No.
Well, let me tell you, share a story. So this guy was playing with nitrogen, not nitrogen, sulfur, large pieces of sulfur to do this, he was chelating some peptides. And so he was using this piece of equipment that is chelating. Now the thing is that sulfur is very explosive with water. And somebody was supposed to remove all the water from this compound, and they didn't remove all the water from this compound, right? And so that term anhydrous basically means to remove water, right? Because if you don't remove water, water's there. So you're letting other people know that you've removed that water, so it's anhydrous. Okay? So somebody in their lab was supposed to make it anhydrous and didn't make it anhydrous. He used the solution that they were using and he blew up half the building because that sodium exploded with water. So that's the reason why you use anhydrous, to let other people know that. Ooh, I can use this on a test.
You know what? So to number 10. Just as the word gas. It's a gas. I did gas. Gas.
All the way down.
How many more do we have now?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my
10,
God, don't
11.
do that. Go help him.
12, 11, almost 12.
I'm 14.
What are you missing?
So,
But you do actually have 12.
S.
So you're missing 3. You got 3 that are still up.
One of them's 7, huh?
Okay. So you got 2 that is wrong. You said 1 is 7.
Right.
Nope, 7 is correct now. Oops, I didn't say that. Okay. You have 14, so you're missing, 13, you're missing 2. So.
13's wrong.
No, I didn't say 13. I said you have 13 that are correct. You're missing 2 still. I slipped already once. I'm not slipping again.
10, 11.
I'm trying to save my money.
10, 11, and 12.
I don't know.
Let's see. How are we doing over here? Okay. Does this make sense? Look at your polyatomic ion table. Look what they do on your polyatomic ion table for number 9. Okay.
Number 10, I think it's just spirit acid.
It's a gas.
There's an acid.
Let's see. Okay, wait. Now I want you to take a look. That's up. This is what I said. Right? Tell me what does that say, number 2. What is the compound? Okay, so what does ammonium look like? You don't want to change it, so then you push it be there. And then what should be on the outside of it? Okay,
What's that? Number 12. No, you guys have the right answer. If you don't see it on one side, does it help? Yeah, it's also the way that they have it, so that you can say the name. Here, you have- You have that much time again, whatever makes you happy. What's up? No, not yet. How are we doing? Purple tea. Pretty close. Pretty close. Let's see. I see one, I see two. Two that are incorrect. And if you guys have been paying attention, you've been knocking them off, and then you're like, is that one correct? You know, and you guys should have an idea of which two at this point. Let me tell you, let me give you a hint. It's greater than 9.
You that?
You hit on 9. Sure, if you've been looking at your probably talking about it. So, if it has an oxygen, what does it mean? Things that have oxygen. Things that.
Yo, I'm trying.
No, I want to hear I'm trying. The name, what does that say? ATE, right? Oh my gosh, so then what should that be? That should be added on to it? No. Okay, if it has, let's say for instance, if there's bromine here, right? And it has oxygen, what do we put in there? No. Look directly on your polyatomic ion.
So we're looking at it.
Okay, you're looking at it, right?
That sound like
I have bromine, it has oxygen. Yeah, right? What is that called? Read what it says.
Because there's 6 from 8.
It's called bromate, right? So if there's PO, what is PO? Polonium, right? And let's look at bromate, ATE. They drop INE. So what do you think you're going to be dropping for polonium? Okay, so, and then the other thing is, does it have more oxygen than it's supposed to? So who else is in that group? So if it has more, then how do I express it having more oxygen? Earth. Okay, so then fix that second part. And do I use, okay, what did you tell me about ionic compounds? You told me this. What was that rule? We had a rule in there about.
Like this. Since really
was it Roman numerals? What did your note say? Don't use what? Don't use prefixes. Does that have a prefix?
Yes.
The 6 should be.
Don't obey. You guys know the rules. Obey your own rules.
The copy and that text is not right.
And that's it. You don't put the oxide because the oxide is sticking up with the ATE, right? Solid. Good job. Okay, is that Roman numeral right? Huh? Yeah, since it's a Roman numeral. What you do the charge? What charge?
Look at it, remember that cross? There we go. Yes.
Is that
Yes, number 10 is, I wasn't supposed to tell you that. See,
okay,
that's not a good
I
question.
keep it's like the G at the end means it's a gas, right?
Which also means that it's not a ionic compound or an acid. Right? So clearly it's not an acid, right? Because if it was an acid, it would be AQ, right? So then tell me about all of those elements. Are they metals? No, they're all what? They're all what type of what family do they belong to? Who's their people?
Non-metals.
They're all non-metals. What is that rule about non-metals? You okay? Allergies? Yes.
How many do we have?
They change
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Got 8. Was better than what you had a few minutes ago. So you guys are doing right. And look at this, right? You missed the sulfate. You missed it. Yeah, part of it. What's the rest of it?
Oh, just like
That's almost. Almost? Yeah.
Look at that. Let's
That is. Okay, so that's 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
9. No, where is it? You pay attention to charges. And the quantity, because hypo always means how many below? Hypo. Okay. So, okay, team, go purple team. How are we doing?
I have a question.
Yep.
For
11.
It would be calcium, then 6. Next, no?
Nope, because it's what metal? What group is it in? What?
Oh, it's in group 2.
It's in group 2. Group 2 metals are always,
Positive.
they're always positive what? Positive 2. So, but you are right in the fact that there is something wrong with your number 11. Right? So I would pay attention to maybe those nitrogens, right? What would be the charge on those nitrogens if it is, if we have calcium, which is +2, right? Calcium is +2. Each of the nitrogens have to be what? Well, obviously negative, but negative what?
Negative.
Does that be -3? Are you sure? Or a third? I'm just saying, I would probably look at my polyatomic ion table personally if it were me, but you know, that's just me. I don't know.
And now, hold on.
15. You got another one that's added on to your correct. So you guys sure about one of the ones that are in the top 6? There's one that is definitely not correct. One that's in the top 6 that isn't 5 or 4. One that's in the top 6 that isn't 5, 4, or.
Okay.
You guys are making me work really hard today. Come on, purple team. Purple, come on. My money's on you.
I don't understand.
Is there anything on your polyatomic ion table that has nitrogen in it?
And 3.
N3, what is the charge on N3? Help me. Preach to me, sister. It's a negative, a single negative for 3 N's. Oh my gosh. In total, 3 N's plus 3 N's is a total of what?
3 N's and 3 N's.
6 N's. Is that really it? 6 N's? So what is that called? What is that 3 N called?
It's called
My hand.
Diazide.
So I'm gonna throw something at you. It's an ion. Am I supposed to be using that dye?
How do you know? How do you know that it's not?
Easily, because it's a metal and a non-metal. Is it a metal and a non-metal? Because did you guys told me that. You told me the rules. You just don't want to obey them, right? I'm gonna run to second base. I don't have to run to first base.
So
Okay, so then what is the name? You guys are right there. It's right there. There you go. So now you're down to 1. You need 1. Number 10, make your friend.
That doesn't look right.
That doesn't look right. What is the charge on?
It's gas.
Yeah, just squeeze them together. It's in the PA and the SO.
keep getting sulfuric acid.
And then it's multiplied by.
Does it say AQ?
No, but that's literally.
But what do we know about all of those elements? They're all non-metal. So what is that rule about? I'm gonna die. About non-metals?
One of the rules for non-metal.
What is the rule for non-metals? All non-metals.
Dihydrogen sulfate H2.
Nope, that isn't dihydrogen sulfate formula. That's because it needs to be acute. That was incorrect.
So that's a gas.
That's right. It is a gas. It's not called dihydrogen sulfate.
Can we get like a freebie for that one?
No, you can't get a freebie. I'm giving you a freebie if you're listening to what I'm saying. If they're all non-metals, and we know that it isn't ionic, because sulfate would suggest that it's an ion, and it isn't ionic. What is the rule? Who forms what types of bonds? We know that it isn't ionic. What other bond is there?
That isn't.
Okay, so if it's covalent, what is the rule about covalent? It's prefixes. Sure. What was that? Say it. Put it up there. Make it official. Free.
Wait, what did you say?
Water.
So yeah, 13 are correct.
Because of.
Okay, let me help you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 that are correct. So 2 are wrong. So you got 2 that are wrong. Nope.
That was not correct.
Okay. Is that still right?
It's not, it's a gas. But we're the one that eats it.
Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, is that right? This is hydrogen. Take a look at that. So you said number 11. Does that look like hydrogen?
Hydrates.
It has water, right? You hydrate with water, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 does right. You're getting closer. They beat the other team. It's a race. They need 5. You guys need 2, right? It's neck and neck. These guys, I believe, have them all correct. No, you. Oh my gosh, you're so stubborn.
There's 2 answers that it can be, and neither of them.
Okay, have you tried to put all of them up there, right? Yeah. Are you sure?
Wait, what did you say?
One of them it
What
can't
did
be.
he say? What did he say? Here, go up there and fix number 10. Show them what they
I
need
think
to
it
do.
was.
You go up there and fix it. I want you to go up there and fix it. Because what is that rule? It's prefixes. So dihydrogen, what?
Yeah.
Look at what you got. What's an S? What is S? So then right. There we go. And gas. And gas. Purple team gets the pizza and they're ready to trade it. So tell me the pizza choice. I won't get it today, you get it tomorrow. I mean on Wednesday. Thank you, sir. And it's all intact. Okay. Hard work. Okay, come on, blue team. Come on, green team. Who's going to get number 2? Okay.
Are you done with my? I think we have to write that. I'm gonna write them all down because if you put our name on the paper. For the
Michael.
Oh my God.
God.
Yeah, you're very cheating. That little boy right there, cheater. Right next to you. I'm done.
right there at the door.
Oh, one budget level, so 32. Yeah.
Number six, the back wall, H2.
First of all, I'm alive. You know, makes me happy. I just get something that allows me. When I lived in North for like 2 years,
What was that?
I'll give you that.
Oh, here it is. Oh, to college. Six. All of it? Yes.
For 11? Yeah. Calcium. Yeah, I was like calcium something.
Wow. Sit your eyes down. You don't want it right now, dude. I'll kick that out.
Wait, what is Cody's ass?
What?
I'm kicking Cody's ass.
No, when you kicking Cody's ass. Go kicking Cody. He wants to fight you more than you.
That's true.
Oh, you gotta put your ass.
Yeah.
Oh, you got some beautiful stuff.
Oh
my God.
Hey, no, Dr. You gotta check ours first. They cheat.
No, here, finish first. I've been standing here.
Yeah. What's going on?
Everybody.
Especially that one right there. Yeah, you.
What are they talking about?
Looks good, yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Is that the second winner?
Let's see.
Yeah, you go second.
So we're missing.
You're missing something. You guys had something.
Oh my God, no.
Somebody took something off.
No chances.
What were you missing? You had it up here. So remember?
Yeah.
Hey, Kai.
Where are you going over here? The prefix.
Okay.
5, 10.
Okay, so
I swear that was 1 year.
pizza, 3 extra credit points. You guys will get 2 extra credit points. And since I'm generous today, I will give you 1, right? But
Yes, please.
You can put it towards anything you want to put it towards.
Oh,
right?
yeah, one
You wanna put it towards yours.
Oh, it's like that. You're on the ground to one check on there.
You didn't choose. How do I choose? So typically I put it towards your exam on the sheet, right? Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go early today, okay? But that means on Wednesday, I expect you guys to have this kind of ironed out, right? We have a lab, we're gonna do a lab, and we also do a little bit of a lecture, so that you guys go early today. Okay? Yes, sir.
Are we in groups again?
You guys will be in these groups again. I like these groups. No, you don't, but I like them. I will give you guys some, yes, I'll add you an extra. Hey, before you go, I will talk to you. I'm not
Well, no, I gotta do one quick answer here and there, and I'm like, what?
Okay. Yeah, you can do the test questions if you want to, but it will pick up so we get up to the 8. Come here. Oh. No, you don't leave. You keep your butt right here. No, yeah. You're good.
Huh? No, I can't.
You want some extra credit? I don't want to test. Okay. Well, then you better do this. That was supposed to be it. I'm giving you one more chance. Don't make me that. I'll take it.
Like 2 hours before. Because we're really getting up 2 hours before. Yeah. Really getting there. So we gotta get a hotel. No. Yeah, I think that's
Okay. So. Right. You didn't even open up the data. Exactly. You didn't open it. Why don't you are very confined? You better get your ass in shape. Okay. Otherwise, I'm gonna go visit your coach personally, and you ain't gonna do shit. Are we clear?
Yeah. So when does this class end?
Oh my God, the class ends in November. Yes.
November.
Yeah. And I didn't even talk to you guys about your damn projects. Forgot to mention that today. First thing I forgot.
Do you want me to email you or?
They will all be open. I will see you. Yeah, give me a call. Let me know. Okay. Yeah. Well, no, that was a parent, but I don't know why. You're like, again, one of the smartest people in this class. Oh no. There are a group of you guys that are just like brilliant, right? Yeah. And it makes me so fucking mad that you're so damn brilliant and you're not getting those A's. I want those A's. I want those A's. Just so you know, where's my A? What happened? It was closed.
Wait, what's the name?
I wanted an A from you. No, I know that. I'm saying I want an A. There's one A. It was in Fireball. You're not bad at it either.
Biology and like.
You're not bad at it either. You just need to. You gotta get used to it. Okay, but all I'm saying is that you have potential. Yeah. And I'm tired of you wasting your potential, right? You know, I expect you better. And I expect you to do so damn good that you want to take my next class. Because you're bright and it's in your blood. You don't see it, but I see it. The question is that are you going to grab it by the horns and get this A? And it's an easy A for you. You just put it over time. You don't have to put it much. Like some of the people here have to put it. You're right there. You're going to let Jack outdo you?
Jack's actually very intelligent.
Oh, I know that, but you are too, right? So don't give me that bullshit, right? So don't try to pull that part, right? You are too. And the thing is that you were fucking outshining Jack in the fucking beginning. And then you're like, all of a sudden, you get oh, I get hurt, I get sick. And then you're just like, I'm just throwing everything out the fucking window, right? So I want you to do better. And you, right? Promise?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I have a
Well, then you
question.
should. Okay.
So for the part that was like 15 points, when it came to calculating the spreading distance, if you miss one of them, do you get it all wrong?
No, I gave you partial credit. Yeah, so I paid attention to whether or not what you guys made mistakes on. Yes. But, yeah, you did do worse than you thought, but you did too. If I remember correctly, you got 70%. 79. Yeah, because I went back and fixed the one that was going to take some more points off, but I saw it on. So 79. And you made a lot of little itty bitty mistakes, right? Yes. And then they just kind of amplified, you know. And so, and it's funny because you're very meticulous, right? So that's the thing that why I was really shocked that you made those mistakes.
You saw my calculator. Everything was just going. My dad was yelling, my friend was screaming.
Hey, that's my family all the time. So yeah.
And I was like, night, I have work at night. So I was like, but now I know how it is.
Yeah. So you're gonna do better, right? We'll get you guys there. Keep it screaming, it looks like. We'll get you guys there. Okay, I will see you guys. See you on Monday. Wednesday. Wednesday, yes, that day.
Have a good night.
You too.